Hi friends, so today we were playing in the garden and we found a dead bird. So we decided to bury it. So we made a paper coffin and we put the cardboard and then we put the bird into the cardboard coffin that we made. So then we decided to put on the lid. Then we took it to the garden where we dug a hole. My little brother helped me to dig a hole. So then we put cardboard along the edges. We put the coffin into it. We put the coffin into the thing and hole, and then put the soil back in. And then after that, we took a branch and put it on the side of there.